What's a typical day of an engineer? I'm a petroleum engineer and I'm going to talk about my typical day. I work as an engineer in coiled company. Most of my work is done in office environment, with occasional visits to the field. My typical day starts at 8 o'clock and ends at 4:30, though those hours are not really enforced in our office, and I usually come to work at about 8:30 and leave at work at about 3:30, as long as I have time to finish my work. Once in a while I get calls from my work after my working hours, where I might be asked to run simulations or prepare cost estimates from home. I also take 1 hour for lunch, during which I go to eat with my colleagues or friends from other companies. Lunch hour is usually the best time to network and find other opportunities that are available in other companies. During the day I usually get emails from our sales team asking to prepare programs, run simulations or prepare quotes for various jobs. I use simulation software to run simulations to see whether the job can be done and to find the best way to do it. If you have some friends who are engineers, you probably heard that sometimes there are occasions when you are not doing anything for the whole day, and then suddenly work comes and you try to finish everything as fast as possible. Same happens to me. During the typical day I have around 2 days where I work on projects only half of the day, and 1 day per week is usually the day when I don't get any work, and I use that day to study and develop myself. You probably also heard that it's very hard to become an engineer, and you need to be pretty smart to get high marks when you graduate. It's all true. However, after you graduate, most of the work you will be doing will not be that challenging. And honestly, I think that working is much easier than studying engineering at university. First of all, when you work, you just work in one particular sector, where you become an expert sooner or later, because the job you are doing is going to be more or less the same each day. Secondly, when you are working, you don't really have to go home and then spend time there on things such as homework and preparing for the tests. Yes, sometimes you'll have to work from home, but it's not the same as studying for the test until 2 a.m. while you're in university. I'm really happy that I chose engineering as my degree, because I have lots of free time and my salary is also pretty high comparing to what new grads get in other majors.